This is the second time on how to do pull-ups in a car. So the first way was putting your feet under and then up.
Okay.
And then the second way now is to do it turned around. So you put your head right here, and then you go like that, and you try to touch your feet to your head. And then the real pull-up, the second video, is supposed to be about doing it with the seat up.
Well, show me the wrestler ones that you did.
This third video, I'm going to do wrestler, where you can get a quick sneak peek. So the old, like the 30 and up year olds would do this. Gotta touch the toes. And then the kid way is trying to balance, put your knees straight, and then touch your toes all the way down and try to go past.